As you probably already seen by the thumbnail, man, today we're gonna be reviewing the Coach Hitch backpack. Last Wednesday, I was in 5th period, you feel me? And I found this bag and I was like, damn, this shit kind of fire. And I just copped it, you feel me? It was the last one left, I copped it. It had a little discount on it and it was cheaper than all the other shit. So I was like, fuck it, man, like, I might as well just buy it. So this is the bag, man. Coach Hitch backpack in the chalk colorway. I didn't see too much reviews on this bag. I saw like 2 and they weren't even really reviews for real, man. So I was like, you know, I gotta do one. Photo online, it said that it was chalk, but it looked more white. I'm not even gonna lie, it looked white, but this is like more of an off-white color and it has some brown accents, you feel me? I thought it was gonna be black and white, but it's actually brown. I don't know if it was a photo or if it's my color blindness, but this is like a nice chocolate rich brown. Like, I'm not gonna lie, when I saw this in person, it dead ass looks better in person than online. Like, the craftsmanship itself on the bag is very good if you ask me. The stitching quality seems to be pretty good. The material of the leather is good. It's made out of pebble leather. As you can see all around here, it has like its signature, you know, Coach pattern, man. That shit is tough. The straps on the back has that like triangle shape. You got that padding on the strap. The bottom is just fully white leather. The only part of this bag that throws me off is this bottom piece right here. It throws me off a little bit because the way that it's like stitched on, like, I wouldn't expect it to look that way. I would expect it to be a little bit cleaner. It looks a little bit sloppy, but that's just how they decided to do it, I guess. As you can see, you got the Coach logo, like, I guess stamped on or pressed on at the top. It's held on by 2 magnets that just snap in place. It low-key is kind of annoying because like it doesn't just always go on. It kind of like sticks, but it doesn't always snap on. The inside is really nice, man, because I'm not sure on the website. I'm pretty sure it says that it's like a microfiber cloth, but it kind of has like that suede vibe to it. I'm not really sure what it is, but it's really nice. It feels soft. It looks high quality. You definitely want to be careful with this, man. If you like get something spilled in there or whatever, like, it's gonna get fucked up. But just even the inside, man, you can really like appreciate the build quality. You can see the stitching. You could see like just the craftsmanship in it, and then of course you have the label on the inside that, you know, proves the authenticity and all that. You got a laptop compartment that I think they said is up to like a 15-inch laptop, but it fits a good amount of stuff in there, man. I can't lie. And honestly, if you're getting this backpack, you're probably not getting it to put a whole bunch of stuff in it. I wouldn't recommend putting a whole bunch of stuff in it. You're probably gonna wear it down, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna definitely be able to, you know, carry my necessities in there. That's what I got it for. I like carrying bags around personally, and like the spray grounds, they weren't cutting it no more, man. Moving on though to the side pockets, man, it's also secured by a magnet. It has that same nice material on the inside. It goes pretty deep. I'm not really sure what you would put in there. I guess you could put like your keys. You could put anything that's not too like thick in there. I guess smaller objects and stuff. But as you can see, that's what the back of the bag's looking like. It has the brown padding. It has the brown accents. The straps are joined at the top by this like metal ringlet. The loop to hold the bag at the top is very thin. It's wrapped in that leather. The adjustable part for the straps is really thick and it has like a nice leather accent right there. As you can see, there's a ringlet right there. I'm not really sure what it's for. I guess it's for like some keys and shit. The bag, it squeaks a lot, man. I'm not gonna lie, but you would expect that because it's made out of leather. If you're watching this at a later date and you want to know how the bag's holding up, just leave a comment down below. Overall, man, based off of this little review, I definitely recommend you get this bag. This bag definitely just has that uniqueness to it, man. You feel me? Like, I really don't know nobody else that has this bag for real. It's good quality. Me personally, I'm definitely happy with my purchase, man. If y'all, like I said, if y'all want to know how it's holding up, just leave a comment down below. If you got any other questions about the bag, man, let me know. Let me know what you want to see next. You already knows me, my taizeeproductionz. I'm forever going crazy.
Perfect.